Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the vlog, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Today is a really special day, but first let's go get some gas so we can make this day a special day. Let's go have some fun. Now that all the boring stuff is taken care of, now let's actually go make this day a fun day. Guys, check this out! Apaches! Just flying right by the Tacoma like it's nothing. We got the taco, we got tons of Mexico. So let's go have some fun and go play around, I guess. All right, I'm gonna set you guys down over here and let's go have some fun. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's awesome. Taco, guys. The taco. Please like, subscribe, comment if you got any questions. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Have a good one.